I will show you how you can make a professional website with Wix by it in Fiverr. First, we search about Wix on the search, and here the best freelancer can make you a professional website with Wix. But not all this is good. We're looking about when a best have reviews like this. One over 600 reviews, over 600, 100, 200, 500, and look at this, 1000 reviews. Look at the profile there. We have 32 order right now. We have over 1000 reviews. Let's look at what people saying about it. This reviews about the person. One day passed. From United States, 2 weeks. 8 days. All this from United States. Actually, is with good price, basic, standard, premium. Let's show this. It's a professional actually. If you want to contact this person, if you need a professional website with Wix, the link in the description. See you the next one.